Accounting Introduction. 5 main heads of accounts: assets, liabilities, equity, income, expense. Heads of accounts: assets, current assets, cash, bank, account receivable, merchandise inventory, notes receivable, marketable securities, office supplies, prepaid expenses, accrued receivables. Long-term assets: tangible, intangible. Tangible, man-made, machinery, equipment, furniture, building. Tangible, natural resources, mines, fisheries, land, mountains. Intangibles, patents, copyrights, trademark, franchise, goodwill. Liabilities: current, account payable, notes payable, rent payable, other payables, unearned income, bank overdraft, short-term loans. Long-term liabilities: long-term loans, mortgage payable, debenture payable. Capital, that is owner's equity. Incomes: sales revenue, service income, commission income, interest income, dividend income, fee income, rent income, any other income. Expenses: purchases, salaries expense, rent expense, insurance expense, utility expense, advertising expense, tax expense, supplies expense. Like, share, subscribe. Commerce Lecture Online.